Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Kicking off with football, the Reggae Boys delegation, which arrived in Austria today for Thursday's friendly against CONCACAF rivals, the USA, is now in isolation after two members of the travelling party returned positive COVID-19 test results. Confirmation of the story, first aired by TVJ Sports, came from the JFF this afternoon.
It's been a very eventful journey leading up to the Reggae Boys trip to Austria, but after everything which happened, the last thing the delegation wanted to have was another setback. But on arrival to Austria from New York on Monday, they got the news that two members of the delegation returned positive COVID-19 tests. TVJ Sports understands that one member, who is a player, did 2 PCR tests before departing Jamaica. He was presented with a negative result from the first test, which enabled him to travel, but on reaching Austria, the other test results came back positive. As for the other person, a member of the technical staff, he did a PCR test before leaving the island. But with the result unknown at flight time, he opted to do an antigen test at the airport, which showed a negative result. Like the player, the technical staff member was told on arrival in Austria that he too had returned a positive COVID-19 test. As a result, all members of the delegation are now in isolation. The entire delegation, including the 11 UK-based players who are now in Austria, did their PCR test on Monday afternoon and are now awaiting the results before any activity can be initiated. The Reggae Boys are in Austria to batter the United States in a friendly international on Thursday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.